Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Hope you are doing well. So today we'll discuss on the batch status in how to maintain the batch status and in batch management. So that first we'll discuss what is the config, how to do the config for the batch status, and how to change this status of batch during user decision, and we'll show a demo. Okay, so before proceed, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, so that will encourage me to do the hard work to make more and more video. Now let me go to, so first we'll go check the what is the config to do the to update the status of batch. So in SPRO, in SPRO, so in my previous videos I was get comment like my screen is not visual properly, so I tried to make it classic and so that it will be somewhat visual to you. Okay, so still if it is have any issue, please let me know, so I'll try to do take care of that. Okay, so now here we have to go to logistic general. In logistic general, we'll go to the batch management, and if you look at here, specify batch level and activate status management. So if you are not able to see, again I am doing zoom. Okay, so if you look at, this is the path in batch management. There is specify batch level and activate batch status management. Okay, if we go there, so here initial status of a new batch means when you create the new batch, that will updated with restricted. Okay, so unless until your quality people approve that, no one can use that batch. Okay, so here in, if you click here, so actually my system is today slow, so editing time. So here metal type level, different metal types are there. Suppose I'll go, at the metal type level you can put in, I have selected for finish material. So suppose you want to activate the for finish material, so here you can activate this one, initial status. Okay, so means whenever you create the first batch, whenever you create the batch for this material, this type, this metal type, then it will be updated with the restricted status. Okay, so this is one thing. Second, once you have the batch update with restricted status, during user decision, system should able to move that status from restricted to unrestricted. So what you can do in user decision, so here, user decision, suppose I am using this one, 04 good received from production. Okay, there, there for the UD code, Here you can choose this one. Okay, this one to unrestricted use, unrestricted batch starters. Okay, hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, so this is the starters. Okay, unrestricted use or unrestricted batch starters. There in the your you need to ask use the this posting for your UD code. Okay, so then in Metal Master, you need to assign that metal should be activated with batch. Okay, and here in quality should be that inspection type should be assigned here. Okay, inspection type should be assigned here, and that should be the batch managed. Okay, now if I do the product, create the production order for this material. Okay. So here if I create the production order, suppose I will give 5 current date. So if you look at here, because as per it is auto release as activated, and it has the batch creation is also activated in the production scheduling profile. Okay, so when this production order I created, it released automatically, and here it assigned the batch automatically. Okay, so now if I save it, okay, so now this product order is created. Okay, so before I go to the batch, let me show the production scheduling profile also. Here work scheduling, this is the G batch. Okay, so if I go to check the configuration for this batch, okay, here in the production, subfloor and operation in master, not operations, master data, in master data production scheduling profile. Okay, in production scheduling profile, if I go for plant, so sometimes my system taking time. Okay, in meantime let me show that batch. So to get the batch, the transaction code is MSC3N. Okay, so there we can check the batch. Okay, so now if you look at, this is the production scheduling profile G batch. So if I go to the details of this one, okay, see I have this auto release is activated. Okay, and here batch, automatic batch creation in the order also is is activated. Okay, so you are, that's what when I release my production order, so it is automatic batch creation at the order release. Okay, so when I create my production order, or it is release automatically and it create the batch. Okay, so now I'll close this one. So if I go to this batch, so what is the batch in my production order? So in production order, so I'll copy this batch and I go here. So if you look at this one, now this batch is created now, and this batch is, if you look at, this is updated with restricted status. If you look at this one, this is updated with restricted. Okay, this is updated with restricted status. Okay, now if I do the good receipt for that production order, I'll do the Migo good receipt for production order. So here, so if you look at now batch, everything is copied here. Okay, item okay, and post. Okay, date of post it. Okay, now it is posted. Now if I go to the QA32, okay, and if I go here and production order, so if I check with this one here, so this inspection alert has created. Okay, now suppose I'll do the result recording for that one. So done. I did the result recording. So now suppose I'll do the user decision. So here I'll do accept. Okay, then inspection lot stock. Suppose I put the 5. Okay, so now when I save it, so when I save, if you look at here, I'm getting a message that your batch status is changing from, if you look at here, you will get one message, batch status is changing from unrestricted to restricted to unrestricted. It will be changed, so it will give one information message. Okay, now if I save it, so now it is done. So if I go to that batch, see now it is in the unrestricted. So if you look at, your batch is in unrestricted status. So if you look at, it is in unrestricted status. Okay, so if you I will go and check in MMBE. So look at, this is now in the unrestricted status. Okay, so this is all about how to maintain the status of batch and how to move this batch from restricted to unrestricted status. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.